What if I told you the future of cars has no engine noise, no fuel tank, and barely any maintenance? Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down something everyone is talking about: electric vehicles, or EVs, not just what they are, but how they actually work. 1. How EVs work. Let's keep it simple. In a traditional car, fuel burns inside an engine. But in an EV, there's no engine at all. Instead, you get an electric motor powered by a battery. Here's the flow. You press the accelerator. The controller decides how much power is needed. The battery sends DC power. The inverter converts it into AC. The motor spins the wheels. That's it. Smooth, silent, instant power. 2. Regenerative braking. Now here's the cool part. When you hit the brakes in a normal car, energy is wasted as heat. But in an EV, the motor runs in reverse, acting like a generator, and sends energy back to the battery. This is called regenerative braking. Basically, your car charges itself while slowing down. 3. Key components. Let's quickly break down the brain and muscles of an EV. Battery pack. Stores energy inverter. Converts DC to AC motor. Turns electricity into motion controller. Controls everything. DC/DC converter. Powers lights. AC electronics charge port. Where you plug in. Think of it like this. Battery equals heart controller equals brain. Motor equals muscles. 4. Types of EVs. Not all EVs are the same. There are 4 main types. 1. Battery EV, BEV, fully electric, no fuel at all. 2. Hybrid, HEV, uses petrol plus electric motor, no charging needed. 3. Plug-in hybrid, PHEV, can run on electricity for short trips. 4. Fuel cell EV, FCEV, uses hydrogen to produce electricity. Each type fits different needs. 5. Charging. Charging is one of the biggest questions. You can charge at home overnight, at public stations, fast chargers, 30 to 60 minutes. The tech is improving fast, but infrastructure is still catching up. 6. Pros and cons. Let's be real. EVs are amazing, but not perfect. Pros: zero emissions, low running cost, instant acceleration, quiet driving. Cons: high upfront cost, charging stations still limited, range anxiety on long trips. So yeah, it's a trade-off. So, are EVs the future? Honestly, they're not coming. They're already here. And understanding how they work, that's your first step into the future of mobility. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to follow for more simple tech explanations. See you in the next episode. Quick summary: electric vehicles, EVs, use a battery and electric motor instead of a fuel engine. Power flows from battery to inverter to motor to wheels. Key features: regenerative braking recovers energy. Multiple types: BEV, HEV, PHEV, FCEV. Charging ranges from slow to fast. Benefits: eco-friendly, low cost, smooth drive. Drawbacks: high cost, limited charging network, range concerns,